So the last thing we have to do is clear the completed to-dos, and this is the last step of our to-do applications before we go adding animations and local storage. So inside to-do Svelte, we need to have a computed value completed to-dos and a clear completed function that we're going to pass to our new component clear to-do Svelte. So as you can see here is the computed value, which is going to be the inverse of incomplete to-dos, and then we're just going to create a function and pass it. So import the component we haven't created yet. So clear to-dos from clear to-do Svelte. And then we can go here and add a new computed value that's going to be completed to-dos. Going to be to-dos filter, to-do, and to be to-do completed. So it's the same as the incomplete to-dos, but the opposite. So we can get all the completed to-dos, and then we just have to get the length. Awesome. So if we go here, we can say this is the last function we're going to need. So we can add it right here. Function clear completed, doesn't accept anything, doesn't return anything. So we can reassign the to-dos. We can say to-dos filter to-do, and then we can say where to-do completed isn't equal true, and that's it. So we can pass it to the clear to-dos. And let's go here, we can cut this and we can say clear to-dos, and then let's pass it the completed to-dos. That's on computer property. So let's see what it's complaining about. Cannot find names, so let's see completed to-dos. If we go completed to-dos, yeah, because it has to match this one, completed to-dos. So yeah, all right, we pass that, and now we're going to create the component. So let's save this, and in the components we're going to add a clear to-do Svelte component. I'm going to add a script tag, language, TypeScript. I'm going to have a type clear completed type. Doesn't return anything, doesn't accept anything. Type completed to-dos type. It's a number. So let's define the properties. Let clear completed type. Export let completed to-dos type, and then we're just going to have the button, and that's it. We should have pasted it, right? So we have it right here. We can preserve the text of clear completed, but we just need to add the event listener. So on click is going to clear completed, and then let's apply a hidden class if the completed to-dos are none, so there's no point in showing it, right? And then the class is the same, so yeah, we don't even need this. And if you're wondering, the hidden class is coming from our global CSS. So if we look at hidden, it's right here. All right, so that should work. So if you go here, let's refresh. Let's see, clear to-dos. Well, does the file exist? Let's see, clear. Oh, let's type it clear to-dos. Yeah, let's keep these errors in. No one is perfect, right? Especially me. So we can refresh it, and we can see here is the clear completed. So let's complete these two to-dos, and it should clear them, right? And awesome, that works. All right, so congrats. So the majority of the to-do app is built. And here is where you can stop if you want, but if you want to join me further and learn how to add animations and persistent storage, then I welcome you.